Sir JB, pwede bang dalawang tao ang covered sa Compre Insurance?
I just, medyo tricky or confusing naman yung question, but we will try to answer that one as much as possible. So let's focus muna on the word covered. Sino nga ba ang covered ng Comprehensive Vehicle Insurance? Isa lang ba, dalawa, 5, or 10? Ang sagot, pwede kahit ilan and as long as nasa limit po ng liability per insurance policy nyo po. Pwede kahit sino ang mag-drive ng sasakyan mo covered ng comprehensive policy if may nangyaring aksidente at sasagutin yan ng insurance company. Pwede asawa mo, anak mo, pinsan mo, kaibigan mo, syota mo, kapitbahay, classmate, teacher mo o kahit na yung ex mo. As long as tandaan, authorized driver po siya, meaning may driver's license po siya, hindi nakainom or under the influence of drugs at may pahintulot galing sa inyo na gamitin ang vehicle mo. Sa auto personal accident coverage naman, part po ito ng comprehensive insurance policy. Covered po lahat ng pasahero if may aksidente at may injury or death, pero may limitations po. For example, sa sedan, ang covered lang po dito ay 5, isang driver at 4 na pasahero. Sa SUV or AUV, ang covered lang po dito ay isang driver at 6 na pasahero and so on and so forth. Okay ka na ba, Jazz, or may additional ka na questions?
Wala na, Sir JB. Thank you, sir. If may follow-up questions po kayo, just comment below para mapag-usapan natin. Stay tuned for more question and answer with Perla Insurance. This is Jasper.
And this is JB.
Bye!
All is well, all is well.